Today's video, I'm going to be showing an anomaly I found on Wild Island X5 CLANS Home Kits WARPS Wipe 161224. I'm going to open it now. So, what I'm going to be showing you here is an odd thing where it won't let me throw something out of the inventory. So, we go to the inventory and it has a total of 55 sulfur. The original number was like 60 something. I threw it out and it kept putting it back into my inventory. And we'll just sit here and wait and see if it comes back in. I don't know if it's a certain number of ticks or not in the game, but it keeps putting it back even though I walk away from it. And it appears not to actually discard it. And it's only the sulfur. I put everything else into 2 boxes that I sat out here, and they're fine. Except for the bear. But let's get back in here. It's a good thing the bear can't squeeze in. I guess it can't anyway. I don't really know. And let's see if it puts it back in this time. Kind of funny. Bears don't normally come over here at all. Anyway, it seemed to keep putting it back no matter what, and then it would put back the sulfur in various locations. And yeah. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to log out sitting up here and see if it magically reappears. Let's try doing it again. And I'll pause the video recording of the screen. And hopefully it's going ahead and recording. And you should be seeing and hearing this, what there is of it. There's not much. And there it is again. So let's try the next method, which is to go over and let the bear get me, making sure the bear is nowhere near there. The bear almost never goes there, so okay, fine. Not sus. Let's get them all involved. Let's get some wolves next, I suppose. While I'm at it, for good measure, I'm going to throw the sulfur out. The bear doesn't seem to be able to kill me now. I must be immortal. So it's possibly that my client is just screwing up. But I've already closed it and opened it again. It keeps putting the sulfur back only on this server. The server's also experienced a lot of restarts today. Yeah, the bear isn't able to attack me. I'm immortal. Why? At least the sulfur isn't back, right? So, yeah. And I checked the client files. You can do a checksum check on them. Some reason this is doing this. The last time I ended up with things randomly showing up in my inventory, it was the admin tossing things in my inventory. So we'll just do the obvious here. I'll just hit the button and there we go. That should respawn me wherever it's going to. And we'll hit respawn in a camp. And let's see how much sulfur is in my inbox. Okay. It didn't manage to put any sulfur in. I'm sure that we're totally free of that problem now. Anyway, what I was doing on the server all day was, well, nothing of any use apparently. Just noted this and it was interesting. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Good luck with that.